Welcome, and in this video we are going to be creating something like this using CapCut. Open up your CapCut. If you don't have the CapCut app, simply go to your Play Store and download the app. Okay, I will leave a link in the description of this video about the introduction to this app. So we are not going to be covering the introduction again. So if you haven't watched my video on that, you can quickly go and watch that video. Okay, so what we are going to be talking about in this video, we will be covering how you can trim and cut your video, how you can add effect, how you can add background music to your video, how you can add text, and how you can add filter to your video. Okay, so like the sample I showed you at the beginning of this video, that is what we are going to be creating today. So to do this, open your CapCut and tap on the new project. So when you tap on this new project, I'll provide these files in the description of this video. But if you want to know where to download this type of footages from, you can go to Pixabay or you can go to Pixels and to download these footages. But I'll leave the link to download them in the description of this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now and turn off the notification bell so that you will get notified when I drop another video like this. All right, so go to your file. So now we are going to be selecting the video clips that we want to use for this video. So to do that, select the video. So this is video one, clip one. So I'm going to select the video, tapping on that, then it will line up at the bottom side here. So we select 4 video clips from here. So that is one, then this is two, uh, 3 and 4. So these are the 4 video clips that we'll be using to practice in this video. So after learning this, you can apply this to other videos that you want to create. Okay, so select that, those are the videos, then tap on the add button here. Tap on the add button here. So I'm going to add that, and it will line up on my timeline like this. So this is the preview window, this is the preview windows, then this is our timeline. Okay, all right, so what we are going to do now, you can use your finger on the screen, use your finger on the screen so that you can drag them together like this, so you can have a full view of all your clips. So if you scroll on your timeline like this with your finger, just scroll. When you scroll like this, you can preview all your videos, your video clips. Okay, so before we do this, we would like to edit these video clips to rhyme with our audio, okay, which is our background music. So to do that, we have to add our audio first before we start trimming our video. So to do that, simply tap on the add audio button here. You can see this is the add body audio, and we also add audio button there. So you can use anyone you like. So I'm going to tap on the audio. So from here, you select sound. So I'm going to select sound, then it will take me here. So here, if you're on CapCut, you can see sounds, free sounds that you can use. But the reason I'm not going to be using this sound, some of this sound is not copyright free. Okay, so I can't use them on my YouTube channel. So that is why I'm not going to select sound from here. Okay, but if you are just practicing, you can select sound from here. So I'm not going to select sound from here. If you want to know where to download sound, if you are a YouTuber, you can download sound from the YouTube audio library. That's where you can download sound, or you can use some other website like Miskit and some other website that provides that. Okay, so I'm not going to select sound from there. So this is where I'm going to select sound from. So I've downloaded this sound, a cinematic sound, because this type of video is like a cinematic video. So I'm going to select sound from my device which I've downloaded. So tap on this um folder button. So I'm going to tap on that. When you tap on that, you see 2 options like this. So we'll select from device. So you want to select it from device. So at the search button here, if you know the name of of the audio that you downloaded, you can simply type it in here instead of scrolling and searching. Okay, so you can just type in there. So lonely days. Okay, so this is the audio I want to add. So when you see the audio you want to add, you tap on this plus button, or you can preview and hear the sound. So let me preview this. So that's the sound. So you can preview by tapping on the name. So you tap on this plus button and it will be added to your video just like this. So let's play this and see. Okay, so that's the audio. So how this is the way we can edit this audio to match our clip. Okay, so to do that, this is what we are going to do. So let's say I want to I'm working on a project of just 30 seconds. So this video we are going to be talking about, so let's say just 15 seconds. So you want to work on a 15 seconds video, 15 seconds video, or let's say 20 seconds video. So take your player. This is our player. Okay, this is my playhead. So if I scroll my playhead forward or backward, the time will be here. So it will indicate telling me the time here. So this is the time where that's the position where the playhead is. Then this other number you see here, that's the um entire video length. Okay, so you can just scroll your player here, you can see the number is changing. So I'm going to take it to 20 seconds. Then I will tap on the audio like this, select the audio. Then at the bottom here you can see split. So we are going to split it, then delete this other side, the right hand side. So scroll and you will see delete. So tap on delete and you will not see that again. So I've shown you how to split your audio and delete the unnecessary part now. So that is number one thing you have taken note of. All right, so let's move on. So you can select your audio now to auto generate beat. Okay, this is the cool thing about CapCut. You can auto generate beat on this CapCut. Okay, so that you can edit your video to that beat. So to do that, select the audio, then go down here, scroll to the left hand side just like this, scroll to the left hand side and you will see beat. Okay, you will see beat here. So tap on the beat, tap on the beat and you are going to see this thing. So you are going to see something like this. Now tap on the auto generate. Okay, tap on the auto generate and you are going to wait. It's going to generate this beat for us. Okay, it's going to it's adding beat now. So you just hold on and it's going to check using the wave in this song and auto generate a beat for us. Okay, so look at the beat. It have generated the beat. So you can either go with fast. So we have the beat here. So you can see these numbers, this circle dot. So that is the beat. So we can either move this slider forward or we can move it backward. If you move it forward, it's going to fast beat. Then if you move it backward, it's going to slow beat. Okay, the pacing between them. So I'm going to take it backward to have a beat like this. Yes, so that's what we'll be using. So now tap on this good button to confirm that. So now we have, if I should zoom out my timeline, you can see we have this beat. So we'll be editing our trimming our video according to this beat. So for the first video, I want to trim it to the third dot here. So first dot, second dot, and the third dot. So I'll take my playhead over to that dot, then tap on my video clip and tap on split. So this is how you split your video. So tap on split. So I'm going to tap on split, then delete the other part which I don't need. So that's what I'm going to do. So now tap on the delete button here and that have been deleted. Okay, so let's move forward. So the next clip, we are going to do the same thing. Tap on the clip, move to if you are working with three dot, you can work with three dot. But if you are working with four, you can work with four. If you want the first video to be two dots, the third video three dot, the fourth video, as the case may be, any style you want, that's what you are going to go for. So now I'll go to the third beat like this. Okay, So I want this bird to start flying from here like this. Okay, I want the bird to start flying from here. Okay, so I'm going to take my player to where I want the video clip to start from. Then I'll split it and delete the other side which I don't need. Then I will want this to end here, the third dot here. So I'll take my player there, tap on the video and tap on split, then delete the other side of the video. Okay, all right, so that's that. So the next thing we want to do now is to work on this other video. So I want this water one where the water is starting from here. So I'll tap on that, split it, then delete the other side just like this. Then scroll to the front. So for this one, I want it to end at the four dots here. So look at what I'm talking about. One dot, second dot, third, and fourth. So I'll take my player there, tap on the video, split it, and delete the other side which I don't need. Okay. Then for this one, I want it to stop at the so I want this woman, I want where the woman is coming close to the camera. So I'm going to take my playhead forward, tap on the video, split and delete the left hand side. Then scroll forward to the fourth bit, then tap on the video, split it and delete the other side of the video. So you can reduce this size of your audio like this. If you can see the audio, select the audio, long press on this place, is going to vibrate, long press and drag it forward to match the end of your video. So let's play this and we'll see what we have. All right, so you can see it's cool now. So what we want to do, we have to add what we call sound effects to give our video a good feeling. Okay, to give our video a good feeling. So at this point you can see that what sound effect can we add here? We can add a bird voice to this other video clip. So I'm going to take my player forward to the video, to the bird video. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on audio. So at this point, tap on effect. So this is adding effect to your audio, sound effects to your video. So I'm going to tap on that effect. So you have known how to split your video and remove the unnecessary part, okay, and how to cut your video to match the beat of your audio. So those are the things you have learned in this video. So now tap on the effect and tap on this search button. So for this search button, we are going to search for bird like this, and enter the search, and it's going to give you some audio, some sound effects. So let's play this. All right, so we are going to select that. So here you can favorite this, tapping on this star to favorite it. Then you can tap on this plus button to add it to your project. So I'm going to tap on that to add it to my project. So you can see that the sound effect is long and is covering this other side. So what we can do is to take our player to the point where we want it to end, then tap on it and split it, also delete the other side. So it's as simple as that. Then for this other one, we want to add sound of wave to this. So we are going to tap on effect, then tap on the search button here. So for this, we'll be searching for waves. So we're going to search and we'll see waves. All right, so that is cool. So let's add that. So we can just trim, reduce, remove the side we don't need, add the side we need. So we are going to trim it to the side, to the point that we want, trim, split and remove the unnecessary part. So let's play this and we'll see. So you can see that sound effect that we have there. Okay, so if the sound effect is not loud enough, all you can do is to tap on it, then just tap on it. Then you can see at the bottom side here we have volume. So tap on volume to reduce the volume or increase the volume as the case may be, okay, as you are editing. So that is how to do that. So the next thing we want to do, if the audio at that point where you're adding the sound effect is much, okay, if the audio is loud and you want to reduce the audio at that point where the sound effect is beginning to play, what you can do is to select the background music, then select the background music, then tap on this dot that is called keyframe. So we'll talk more about this in our later videos. So tap on the audio, then tap on the keyframe to add a keyframe at that point. So I'm going to add one keyframe, then I'll scroll forward to where the audio is ending, then I'm going to add another keyframe. Look at the keyframe button here. So I'm going to add another keyframe. So at this second keyframe, I'm going to reduce the volume of this audio. You can see, reduce the volume of the audio backward just like this. So let's play this and we'll see. So you can see what is happening. What this keyframe is doing is this. So the keyframe is, the audio is much here, so it will count, it will start reducing the audio volume to where you set here, to let's say 30 here. So that is what this keyframe is doing on that audio. So you can do all those stuff on each of your video clips to get to have a nice sound effect coming out in your video. Okay, so those are the things that you can do on your video. Okay, so we have added the bird sound effect, the waves, and now this is raining here. So what we are going to do is to add the raining sound effect so that it can bring that feeling to our video. So to do that, tap on effect again and search for rain. Okay, then you are going to see other stuffs here. So those are the raining sound effect that you can have. So you are going to reduce the volume of this. So for this, I'll reduce, split it and trim it. So we are going to do the same thing to our audio. So at this point, we add keyframe. So we scroll forward to this point, then we add another keyframe. And so at this point, yes, we want it to go down just like this. So let's play this and we'll see. So you can see how cool the sound effect with the audio is blending to each other. So that is how to add this audio and sound effect to your video. So I've shown you that. So the next thing we want to do now is to add what we call the cinematic horizontal bar to your video. And to do that, this is what you are going to do. So select the video clip you want to add it to. So we are going to select this. Before in CapCut, you'll be able to add this to all your videos at the same time, but that feature is not here again. So this is another way you can add that to your video. So select the video clip, then go down here, scroll to the left hand side, scroll, and you are going to see marks. So you will see marks here, marks. So tap on the marks and you are going to add the film stripe to it. This one, this second one, that's the one we add. So if you add this, it's going to give you this feeling. So you are going to use your two finger on your screen and open it up just to the point like this to have this. Okay, so you can see that. So you want to add that same thing to the second video clip. So do the same thing. Use it, go to max, select the video, go to max, and use your finger on your screen to span it up. So we do the same thing to the other video, to the second video, go to max. So you can see that if you are not careful, it's going to rotate itself. So if you are having that challenge, this is what you can do. Tap on the adjust here. So if you tap on adjust, tap on rotate. This is the rotation. So if you tap on rotate, you can take it back to zero so that it doesn't rotate. Okay, so you have something like that. So that's how to solve that problem. So you go to the second audio, add marks again, add marks. So use your finger to take it up like this. Okay, so let's see the final video. So that is what you can actually do with this CapCut. Is amazing. Is amazing. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel now and turn on the notification bell. Make sure you like this video. I'm begging you, like this video. Okay. All right. So let's move on now. So now let's see how we can add filter to our video. Okay. To add filter to your video, you can simply go down here. Okay, scroll to your left hand side, scroll here, so we can add filter. This is the filter button, so tap on that and you will see a lot of filter here. So under here I'll go to movies. So I'm going to go to movies. So for this, I'll be adding this particular filter to my video so that it's going to be a little bit dim. Okay, so if that's the feeling you are going for, that's what you are going to add. But if you want to add a warm feeling, you can select another filter. So this filter at first, when you add it, it is going to add it to the first clip. Okay, so what you are going to do is to select the filter, long press on this position, this place, just long press on it, then drag it to the final side of your video, and you're going to have the filter added to all your video just like this. Okay, so now you can add transition between your video, but for this particular video I'm not going to add any transition. So to add transition, let me quickly show you that. Tap on this dot to add transition. So if I should tap on that, I'll be able to add transition to each of these videos. So let's say I want to add dissolve, or let's say, okay, so let's say I want to add this dissolve to this. Okay, so you can simply tap on this place to apply to all the clips. So if I should apply to all, it's going to apply to all the clips, and when I play, you are going to have something like this. So that's how to add transition to your video. So but I'm not going to use transition in this video. Okay, so I just want to show you how to add transition to your video. So from the knowledge you have from this, you can create other videos. So the next thing you want to add is the fade in effect at the beginning of your of our video and at the end of our video. Okay, so to do that, this is what you have to do. Select the first video clips here, tap on it, then at this bottom side you will see what we call animation. Okay, animation. So tap on the animation. Okay, so now at this first animation you will see fading. So we are going to add fading. So you can reduce the seconds here. You can reduce how much time it lasts. So you can take it to 0.3 seconds. So let's play this and we'll see. So you can see. So let's go to the ending of the video, select the last video clips, go to animation, the same thing. So we are going to add, instead of in, we are going to tap on out to add out, fade out. So here it will be called fade out. So you are going to tap on fade out, reduce the time to 0.4 seconds, and we have something like that. So let's play this. So at the ending side, it's going to fade out. Then at the beginning side, it's going to fade in. So now we can add text to our video. And to do that, tap on add text at the bottom side here. Okay. So tap on add text. So you can add text there. Just select that, add text, and you see text on your screen. So let me add this text, cinematic. Okay. Video. So you can use your finger on your screen to reduce the size of the text just like this. Okay, so here you can change font. So here you can tap on here to change font. You can tap on here to add style. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'll tap on font. So here you can see so many fonts that we have here. So you can add this text. Then you can go to style. This is style. To add some effect to it, go to style. You can add change the color of the text. So I can decide to make red, but I'll maintain white. So here you can add stroke to your text. So if I'm adding stroke, so let's say red and all that. So that's how to add stroke. Then you can add glow, make the text glow. So let's say I will use this, or let's say we use this as a glow effect on our stuff. So that's how to do that. Then background, we'll talk more about this in the full course of this video. Okay, all right. So you can add background to this, you can add shadow, you can make the text curve, you can add spacing between each of these characters, and that is what we are going to do. So reduce the size of the text. Then you can add spacing between character just like this. Then let's reduce the size. You can make it italic or you can underline the text. Then here you can add this type of effect to your text. You can add animation, and we are going to add animation. So for this, we'll be adding the fade in animation. Okay, you can reduce it to 0.5 seconds. All right, so you have something like this. So let's play this and we see. All right, so that's that. So you can simply tap on the text, then copy it, go down here, copy, then long press on it and drag it to the last side of this video. All right, so we have something like this. So for this other text, I'm going to add my name, which is so it will be Sika, creative by Sika. Okay, just like this. So let's play this and we'll see the full video. Okay, so we'll play this and we'll see the full video how it looks like. So that is how you can create this style of video using CapCut. So you can simply go up here to export your video, tap on this place to change the resolution. If you can make it 4K. I can choose 4K to make it 4K. I can make it 1080. I can make it 720, as the case may be, anyone you want. But remember, the higher you go, that's how much size it will take. Okay, so I'll go to this export icon to export my video. Okay, if I tap on that, my video will start exporting and you can view it in your phone gallery. So this is how you can create this type of video using CapCut. If this video was helpful, then do not hesitate to like this video. It won't take anything from you. Just like the video and comment under this video so that others looking for this style of video can also get across to it. Okay guys, so thank you and I will see you in my next video.